Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on poetic postcards. Postcards date back to the late 1800s. At the time, this was a quick and affordable way to send messages. With the advancement of technology, faster forms of communication from telephones, email, and text messages have reduced the need for postcards. However, the charm of postcards remain popular due to the combination of visual images with a handwritten note. For this activity, you will create a handmade poetic postcard. You will need watercolor, pencil, markers, and a blank postcard. First, decide the subject of your postcard. It can depict a scenic view, pattern, or historical event. I'm choosing a landscape for my image. Lightly sketch your image with a pencil. When finished, add watercolor paint. For lighter color, add more water, and for a darker color, use less water. After the paint is dry, add details using marker. Flip the card over to include a note. I'm writing a haiku poem. Haiku is a short poem with 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables, second line 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables. Parents and teachers, post young artists' creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with Creativity Tips.